6 a.m. in Malone, upstate New York. Gonna see what they have. Hopefully get the replica entertainment and the new exotic envy, and maybe if we're really lucky, a little bit of end case. We'll see. So here we are. They had a bunch of pallets, but nothing, no Hot Wheels on the pallets, unfortunately. So we got these. Unbelievable. They're $2.97 here. They're under a buck at home. Is that for real? Usually it's the opposite. Moving parts. Maybe they have the Porsche. Negative. Got some Japan Origins. Jurassic World. So they've got M case and N case. So found my first black RS2 and God, it looks great. I'm definitely going overboard on these. As many as I can find, I'm getting my favorite car. I think I have like 64 of the blue version. So I'm gonna keep digging. This is really exciting. This is what I was hoping to find today, more than anything. So hopefully I find a couple more. So pretty successful end case, no super, no treasure hunt, so someone's already been through it. But black Volvo, Corvette C6R, that thing's beautiful. The yellow NSX, beautiful. Audi RS2, favorite. New Supra, new color of the Range Rover Classic, and new color of the Lotus Sport Elise. So pretty successful in my book. That's why I like to come down here. Just quick while the music stops. Highlights. GMC Sierra. This thing is gorgeous. Really want to get that. M2 haulers. Some cool stuff. And this gorgeous C10. Just beautiful with the rims, the colors, the paint scheme. Absolutely gorgeous, this truck. Love that. Two of them, no chase. And then we got some Jada Fast and the Furious, big time muscle. This orange 427 looks amazing. Brian Supra. GT500, Eleanor. And then these American Legends look great too. ZR1. Bronco with no top, awesome. And Bronco with top, also awesome. These are good looking cars. $10.97, not bad. And as for premiums, no. And I got some muscle machines and some M2 drivers. But yeah, picked up a couple of the Mercedes from the Jurassic World, and gonna head on to Plattsburgh, see if they have anything. So they had J case, N case, and M case here. So hopefully find fresh N case in Plattsburgh. Stay tuned. Plattsburgh Target now. It's 4 till 8. Open at 8 o'clock. See what they have inside. Hopefully they're stocking something right now. See you inside. Got some pallets out here, a bunch of toys. Morning. So got end case here too. It's definitely been picked through. Maybe they have a fresh case on those pallets. I don't see anything of consequence here. I'm just gonna cross my fingers for those pallets. If these guys have anything. Because there's like 4 pallets out there. And there's not much on the pegs here. So hopefully they have something. Johnny Lightning. Auto World 2-packs. Nothing there. Matchbox. Nothing. Bunch of NASCARs. Hello Kitty R34. It's pretty sweet. Nothing much else. Dropping stuff. This dump bin definitely been picked through. Alright. I'm gonna ask these guys if they have any die cast. So there were lots of pallets, but no die cast on them at all. Nothing. No Auto World, no Hot Wheels, no Matchbox. Got these two. Gonna check the checkout aisles. But not looking good. If there's nothing over there, there's probably nothing in the checkout aisles. But take a look anyway. And then we'll head to Walmart. And then some dollar stores. So the only other thing in there on the checkout aisles was this Lotus, but it is gorgeous. Happy to have that. Looks pretty great in the sun. So on to, I think I'll check out the Hobby Lobby, see if it's open, and then on to Walmart. Alright, let's have Walmart be the winner today. Plattsburgh Walmart. Let's see. So we got end case tray, but it's definitely been gone through. Camaro, I'll take that. Camaro convertible. Alright. Go through this. I'm gonna check out the aisle real quick. So, more successful than I thought. Got 3 Delta Integrales, 3 black Volvo wagons, a couple more NSX, Corvette Gasser, 3 gold Batmobiles, a couple of Koenigsegg Camaros, another Lotus. That's good mainline haul. Excited about this. On to the dollar stores. So I had a very successful mainline haul. Got 3 of the new Lancia color. Beautiful, love this car. 3 Volvo. Love the Volvo wagon. Such a great casting. Full detail too. Lights, tail lights. Beautiful casting. Got a couple NSXs, that's 3 now. Corvette gasser. Just got that because it's a new casting. It's nice to have the new castings. 3 of the gold Batmobile. Looks great. And a couple Gamiras. Another Lotus. Another Range Rover, another Lotus. But then I looked up on the top shelf by the M2s. Found that. Datsun 510 model set with the lift. That's awesome. Really happy about that. That's great looking, especially in the sun. It's just shimmering. Metal flake in there. Beauty car. Excited about that. Never bought a model kit before, but couldn't say no to 510. Yeah, like I said, on to dollar stores, I guess. Let's go. Still in Plattsburgh. I'm gonna check out this Runnings because I checked one out in Malone last time I was here, and they had Hot Wheels, so check this one out, see if they have Hot Wheels, but don't bring your guns. I saw these Hot Wheels cases, got excited from far away. Attacking shark. Anyway, so here's their Hot Wheels section. It is definitely picked over. Oh, there's a Lamborghini. I think I have enough of them now. It looks like somebody has organized them all. Look at all those Sport Quattros. Nissan Z, they're all organized. That's great. So, not much sense in hunting here. We're looking through the pegs because they're actually perfectly organized. Every row. Alright, cool. I'm gonna take a look around, see if they have anything else hiding somewhere. Yeah, it looks like it here. 5 packs, 9 packs, 20s. Looks like that's it, but they've got a lot of pallets out, so maybe I'll take a look through. You never know. I don't know anything about this store, so I'll check it out. Got a Dollar General. May have hit a fresh case because treasure hunt. Let's see. Kit. Super Pursuit mode. Bugatti. Taco. Sorry, good viewing right here. Lamborghini Huracan, Bugatti, Batmobile. Mustang Mainline. Another Mustang back here. Pull it out just to make sure. Mainline. Koenigsegg back there. Liberty Walk. there's some more up here. Check those after. I've never seen, I've been to many Dollar Generals and never seen so many cars. Corvette, Alfa Romeo, all stuff we've seen. So I just had to move a battery display. Okay, all stuff we've seen, but man, there's a lot of it. Dropping everything. RX-3, e-tron, Batmobile, Volvo. Right, I don't know what's up with these pegs, but everything's dropping. I'm gonna shut it off. I'll tell you if I found anything besides that treasure. So that was all that was in the Dollar General, just the one treasure hunt and then a bunch of main lines. But that's pretty fun. It's my first real find at a Dollar General, so I'll take it. I just went into this Kinney Drugs and scored these bad boys. White Subaru SVX, totally plain, windows down, beautiful. Great casting, love the wheels. That's awesome. I love finding stuff like this. I looked at the back, it said 2019, so I guess it was a 2020 release. Matchbox road trip. Never seen them. Awesome. So I just went into Ace Hardware in Champlain, and cars are way overpriced. $279 American for Matchbox, but got a Draftnator treasure hunt. It's pretty sweet, and this Audi. Okay, this is funny because it says 94 Audi RS2, but that's the RS6 casting. But that's still awesome. This is the same set, the road trip set with the SVX. So that's sweet. Been a good trip today. Oh, and checking out Dollar Tree and Kinney Drugs. And then there's a Walgreens as well. I might check out Price Chopper too. So yeah. So Kinney Drugs has 2022 winter sets. Got a Land Rover, Pacifica, Toyota off-roader, Pacifica, Toyota, Land Rover, Land Rover, Land Rover, Land Rover. What else is in here? Geoterra, Carbonator. It's pretty cool. And then they have 2022 Happy New Year's. All Draftnators. Neat. All right, last stop. I want to go home. Left at 5 a.m. It's now 12. Hopefully I can get Walgreens exclusives in here. Guess that's a negative. 3 Hot Wheels. Oh well. It was a good trip. Lots of main lines found. So, that'll do it for this New York trip. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye.